Hello, welcome to today's tutorial of the passive voice in simple present. My name is Erika.
And I'm Martin.
Okay, so today's tutorial is passive voice simple present. You use it when you don't know or you don't care who does the action. So let's take a look. Hey Martin, do you want to hear some fun facts?
Sure.
Did you know English is spoken in South Africa?
No, I didn't.
And did you know the most delicious chocolate is made in Switzerland?
Oh wait, I thought it was Oaxaca.
Nope, it's Switzerland.
Okay.
So today that was the passive voice in simple present. If you'd like to learn more, please come here to Harmon Hall, Puebla Juárez, 242-4158.